In my last video, I unboxed and reviewed my brand new Boya VY-M1 microphone. As you know, this mic is the best microphone with a $20 price tag because it's so affordable and supports all devices that you want to record audio, such as smartphones, cameras, and laptops. But the recorded audio quality is pretty much different in various devices and makes some background noise during recording. In my previous recording attempts, I had background noise in my both iPhone and MacBook recordings, but surprisingly, there wasn't any noise in my Samsung Galaxy A51, which is a mid-range phone. Why Apple? Just tell me why. But I think that's because of my dated Apple devices, my poor iPhone 7 and 2015 MacBook Pro. Yep. Anyway, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background noise from any of your audio and video files, and you will have a crisp and clear audio in your contents. It's good for your audience, trust me, so don't miss the rest of the video. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you didn't subscribe yet, please do and turn on notification by clicking the bell icon. And also, please give this video a thumbs up to motivate me to create more videos. Yep, I know. It's been a long time since I uploaded videos here on YouTube, and actually, this is my first video in the new year 2021, which is not new anymore. Yeah, that's so bad. As some of you guys know, I'm a programmer and I had a big project which I worked on, so I didn't have any time to create more videos. Yeah, please accept my apologies and get ready for the tutorial. Let's do it. In this video, I'm going to introduce you 4 different software. 2 of them are belong to Adobe, the Audition and Premiere Pro, which are both premium software, and you have to pay to use them. But the rest of them are free to use and can easily download and install them on your computers. I'll put all the links below this video. First, let me mention that I'm using Mac OS in this tutorial, but don't worry if you are a Windows user because all of these apps have also Windows versions, and the process of removing the background noise and audio manipulations are pretty much identical on all platforms. Also, I'm considering that you know how to install these apps on your computers. If not, it's not a big deal. Just like next and finish stuff, just go further to learn how to install these apps on your computers. Well, let me not talk a lot and jump straight to the tutorial. Alright guys, first I'm going through the free apps. So one of the most popular and powerful apps in audio editing is called Audacity. This is the website and you can go to download section and download the proper installer file for your computer. They support Windows, Mac, and Linux. So after the installation process done, we're going to run the app. As you can see, it's kind of complicated app, but don't worry, we're not going to do difficult things. We just want to add some denoising effect or noise reduction. But first, we have to import our audio file. So we have 2 options. One is just click on the file menu and then import audio. But the easiest and more convenient way is just simply drag and drop the audio into the app. There we go. As you can see, the audio is imported successfully. Let me play the audio to hear how bad it is. This is the noisy audio recording. I'm gonna denoise it later with an audio editor app. Ow, that's so bad, disgusting. So let's make it better. First, we have to select the noisy part of our audio track. So like this, and click on Effect and Noise Reduction. As you can see, we have 2 steps. First, we have to get the noise profile, and then we can configure the noise reduction sensitivity and frequency smoothing. So just click the Get Noise Profile and then select the whole audio track and click on the Effect and Noise Reduction. As you can see, the OK button is now active. So in step 2, we can change these configs, but it's good to go. We don't need to change them. But feel free to play around with them and find the best suit for your own project. For now, I'm going to leave it alone and just click on the OK. Now, let's play it again. This is the noisy audio recording. I'm going to denoise it later with an audio editor app. That's way better than before. Yeah, that's pretty much done. Let me just increase the volume level as well. So for this purpose, we can slide this slider to the plus direction, and yeah, I think here is good for me, and let's play it again. This is the noisy audio recording. I'm gonna denoise it later with an audio editor app. Alright, now it's the time to exporting our audio. Now let's click on a file and export. As you can see, we have some audio formats, MP3, WAV, and OGG. I usually select the MP3, which is a compressed version of WAV. So let's click on MP3. Now from here we can change our exported audio name. So let's type denoised track, and we can save it in desktop, and we don't need to change these format options. Just click on save button. Now okay, and when we go to desktop we can see the file exported successfully. This is the noisy audio recording. I'm gonna denoise it later with an audio editor app. Guys, did you see that? It was so simple. So what if we have a video and we don't want to split the audio from video and edit it separately? In a situation, we have to use video editor apps. So once again, one of the most popular and powerful video editing app is called Davinci Resolve. This is their website, as you can see, Davinci Resolve 17. So just go to download section and download the installer file for your Mac, Windows, or Linux. This particular app is literally used by the most professional movie producer companies in Hollywood or any other part of the world. As you can see, this is the Hollywood #1 post solution. This is so powerful and professional. Yeah, we can use it in our project. So after download and install the app, we're going to run it. There we go. Now we're going to click on new project, give it a name, project 1, and hit the create. Now it's time to import our video file. Just simply drag and drop the audio onto the timeline. Now here it asks me to change the project frame rate. I believe I recorded the video in 60 frames per second, and now we have to change the project frame rate to 60 frames as well. Now hit the change, and it's ready to go. Now let me play the video first. This is the noisy audio recording. I'm gonna denoise it later with an audio editor app. Yeah, that's pretty much the same audio from previous section. Now let's denoise it. Okay, just go to here and click the Fair Light tab at the bottom of the app. Now here is our audio part of the project, and make sure to click on this mixer, and from here we can click on this plus button. If you can see the effects section, just click on this and check the effect. Okay, we're going to click on plus, noise reduction, and again noise reduction. As you can see, the noise reduction config dialog is popped up, and we can see the preset configs, and we just want to leave it alone and doing our noise reduction. For this purpose, we have two options. One is the manual, and the other one is auto speech mode. In manual, we're going to do the same as we did in our previous section. We just want to select the noisy part of our track, and the app will learn how to set the configs for denoising our track. But for now, I'm going to select the auto speech mode and make sure to turn on the noise reduction as we did. Let me play the audio now. This is the noisy audio recording. I'm going to denoise it later with an audio editor app. Yeah, it's denoised, but we can actually hear the remaining noise, and let's make it better. We just want to increase the sensitivity of our noise reduction. I'm going to denoise it later with an audio editor app. As well as increase the drive it. Yeah, that's way better now. This is the noisy audio recording. I'm going to denoise it later with an audio editor app. Yeah, that's good. Now let me increase the volume level as well. This is the noisy audio recording. I'm going to denoise it later with an audio editor app. This is the noisy audio recording. I'm going to denoise it later with an audio editor app. This is the noisy audio recording. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me play the video. This is the noisy audio recording. I'm going to denoise it later with an audio editor app. Yeah, that's good. Now it's the time to export our video. just click on the last tab here. As you can see, we have some preset. If you want to share your video on YouTube, you can select the YouTube, but I want to do it in custom mode. And from here, we're going to give it a name for our exported file, denoised. And yeah, from here we can select the location, our exported file. I just want to select the desktop and hit the save. Okay, that's good. Just click on the add to render queue. We can actually add different projects into the render queue and render all at once. So now click on render all, and yes, there we go. Let's play it again. This is the noisy audio recording. I'm gonna denoise it later with an audio editor app. Alright guys, that's done. Now it's the time for Adobe apps, the Premiere Pro, which is a video editor app. You can go to their website and buy or download the free trial version. So after the installation process done, we're going to run the app, Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. Alright, we're going to create a new project. Just give it a name, P1, and I'm going to leave the configs and just simply click on OK. There we go. Now I'm gonna drag and drop my file onto the timeline. There we go. From this part of the app, we're going to click on Effect and searching noise. And from the audio effects section, we're going to select the denoise and drag it on the audio part of our project. Okay, now we're going to edit the noise reduction. Okay, let me play the video again. This is the noisy audio recording. I'm going to denoise it later with an audio editor app. Okay, we can increase the amount of noise reduction and play it again. This is the noisy audio recording. I'm going to denoise it later with an audio editor app. Alright, that's done. We're going to export our video file. Go to File menu and Export Media. Alright, from here we can select the file location. I just want to export it to my desktop and yeah, give it a name, denoised, and hit the save button. Now from here we just want to export our project. Alright, that's done, and let me play the export. This is the noisy audio recording. I'm gonna denoise it later with an audio editor app. Yeah, that's it. Now it's the time for Adobe Audition. Alright, this is the website. Just go and download the trial version or subscribe in their monthly payment system from here. And yeah, now let's run the app. There we go. I'm gonna import the M3 file onto the timeline. From here, we're going to Effect Rack panel, and we can add some different type of effects onto the audio track. But now I'm going to add the denoising effect. Just click on this button and then select the noise reduction, then denoise. As you can see, this is the same dialog we had in Premiere Pro. So I'm going to denoise it later with an audio editor app. Yeah, we can increase the amount of noise reduction. I'm going to denoise it later with an audio editor app. And increase the gain of our audio. This is the noisy audio recording. I'm going to denoise it later with an audio editor app. Yeah, that's pretty much the way I want it. So let me play it again. This is the noisy audio recording. I'm going to denoise it later with an audio. Fantastic. But before exporting our file, we have to apply our effect onto the track. So hit the apply button and yeah, that's good. So just click on File menu and Export File. Let's give it a name, denoise, and select the location of my computer. Desktop is good. And here is our different type of formats for our exported file. The MP3 is good. And yeah, it's done. Just hit the OK, and it asks me to keep the backup of the original file. Just hit yes, and yeah, that's done. This is our exported file. This is the noisy audio recording. I'm gonna denoise it later with an... There we go. Okay, that's it. So far, so good. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friend. And also stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to teach you all of this stuff in our mobile devices, Android and iOS. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.